guys, welcome back to Budget Overland. Today we at Gumuremi Gorge here in Botswana, and yeah, we're almost at the end of our trip, and I just want to share our hot water solution to you guys. So let me quickly take you where we have the water. So this is a DIY unit I've built, and it's still a progress in making. So it's a normal 5 liter per minute gas geyser mounted into an ammo case, so you don't need to take it out or hang it or whatever you need to do. It's just easier for me. On top I've cut a hole with aluminium vent, so you can see there, just so that it can breathe a bit. Made a bracket with a tap, and it works quite simple. So we've got an adapter that fits over any tap, so you can tighten it a bit with a piece of hose pipe, batteries, and you can open it, and you have a 2-meter hose with a normal K-DAC regulator and a small K-DAC bottle. Don't have to carry a big bottle for this, doesn't use a lot of gas. And yeah, so if you can come and have a look here, you can throttle it and you can see we have hot water. I don't know if you guys can see the temperature there, but yeah, you can see the steam. We have hot water. So yeah, this actually has many uses. So especially if you wash dishes, oily stuff, you can have nice hot water, because here we only have cold water on this campsite. You can use it for a shower. You can adjust the temperature. If you have a shower or external pump, like my Jeep has an internal tank with a pressure pump, so we can use it as a shower as well if we're totally off grid. And yeah, that's I will share a little bit more details in another video with you guys regarding what I bought, what it's gonna cost, and how I assemble it, and the pros and cons about it. But like I said, this is a beta version of it, so it's not a thing you can buy. It's just a DIY system being developed by myself, because I'm an LP gas installer, so I'm just testing at the moment. But so far it's working 100% well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will chat to you guys soon again. Ciao.